Before this video starts, I am doing a charity cycle ride. So set up a GoFundMe. I'm going to ride the length of the Leeds to Liverpool canal. I'm going to start in Leeds and end up in Liverpool. 130 miles in a day I'm going to do. If anyone wants to support me helping the homeless, they can, but the GoFundMe link will be in the description. I'm going to be supporting all the outreach teams that do all the good work, so the money will be getting distributed evenly between all the outreach teams and two foundations, which would be Big Life and the Block. But yeah, GoFundMe link in the description. I'd appreciate any donations to spread out evenly between all the teams. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Right, hello everyone. Just at Anfield today. I'm going to show you the cladding's nearly finished on the side there. But that's not why I'm here today. Why I'm here today, I'm going to go down to Anfield Square. I'm going to have a little walk around there, a little chat. Because one of the most frequently asked questions is, what's going on with Anfield Square? So we'll get around there in a minute and have a look, but to show you the progress they've made here. And that's how well they've done so far. That'll be done today, that. Probably slowed down a little bit by the weather. It's miserable today, it's rainy. Not windy, just not nice. But yeah, that's about all you're going to see here today. The doors in the corner over there are shut, so I can't see any work going on the corner inside. When it's raining stops, maybe they'll crack on with it. But apparently they're doing a concrete pour at the back of that, where all the wood is. They're doing a concrete pour. Yeah, it looks like they're going to come down now and get the rest of the cladding sorted for that. So I'll go down to Anfield Square. We'll have a little chat on Anfield Square, just to see what's down there. Right, so where I am on Anfield Square. Now this is one of the most spoke about areas apart from the Annie Road stand. So when I do my Annie Road videos, nearly every video someone asks about the square, what's going to happen with it, and the quick answer is no one knows yet. But what I can tell you is, so part of the redevelopment for the stands involved regeneration of the area. So let me spin it around and just show you the area that I'm in. So it's quite big. From the air, you can't really see the scale of it. It's quite a big area. Now on this area, it's about 2.5 acres. And on this area stored 150 houses approximately. So what I'm on now is the roads. So there've been houses this side and houses this side. And the roads. So I'll point down to Wattenbrecht Road. I'll try and put a screenshot on of how it would have looked now, standing where I am, looking down towards the roads, with the houses either side. So part of the regeneration was £260 million regeneration project. Now so far to date they've built 600 new homes, which over the road there is just some of them. Then they refurbished a further 600 homes. They've built a school, a brand new school. They've built shops. Now I don't know if that includes the club shop behind me there. It quite possibly could involve that. And also the Anfield Road expansion itself, which we know that's running way past its budget. So that's just part of it. Now the next stage of that regeneration is this land. So when that's finished over there, the land here is going to start getting worked on. To date, there's people put in place to sell the land. Off the top of my head, I can't remember who they are, but there's 3 different companies working on it. What's going to be here, I don't know. A lot of you have suggested new homes for the ones in Skerries to be put on here, but if they've already built 600 homes, they demolished 150 here, but built another 600, so they're not going to put more houses here. Let's be realistic about it. Myself, I want to see something that generates jobs for the area. You can have what's on the top of Liverpool 1, you could have something like that here. So in Liverpool 1 and Liverpool City Centre, the shopping centre, you got restaurants and bars up there, you could have that here. Hotel, I can't see it happening. There's just no call for it here for a massive hotel. Just not enough for it. Plus all the little hotels in the area, well, they'll suffer on the back of that. And there's a lot of work on those hotels, and I've stayed in a hotel here, and it's stunning in there, it's brilliant. They've built an annex and it's brilliant. It's like little apartments, they're brilliant. And they'll suffer. One over there called the Coffee Hotel just behind me. That'll suffer. And that's really cheap. I'm not sure what it is on a match day, but on a normal day you're paying about 28, 30 quid, and that includes breakfast. It might go as high as 40 quid, but you get your breakfast in with that. And if you're looking for somewhere cheap to stay in Liverpool, that's close to the city centre. Somewhere like that's perfect. I haven't been in there yet, but I will go in there and I will do a review of it. But that's just a couple that I've mentioned. There's loads around here. So, hotel, out the question. I want shops, bars, restaurants around here. That's what I want. Look how close we are to the stadium. Most days, even when it's not match day, it's like Disneyland's around there. There's people just milling around all the time. And when I'm about, I always get the question, is there somewhere we can go to eat around here? Now you got the likes of Home Baked down the road and Chippies, but people want a sit down meal, so I think it's a no-brainer to, have at least one restaurant here. If not a few choices of different restaurants. I'm trying not to spin around too much, because I don't want to make people sick. But yeah, that's just my ideas. I think that will go down well, because every time I'm round here and people say it's the only way to eat, I have to, say, yeah, well, there's the Wetherspoons, and that's about like a 2 mile walk away, or a mile and a half walk away. Or after that, the city centre. People want to come and visit Anfield, do the stadium tour, have a look around, and then just chill out and have something to eat. It's got to be a no-brainer to have what's on top of Liverpool 1, something similar around here. So what I'll do now, I'll take a little walk around just to show you the area. So there's the club shop and the main stand in the background there. And the reason for me getting on here as well is just to give you some scale of size of it. Like, I thought 2.5 acres would be a lot bigger. As I don't even know what an acre is, if I'm being honest. But it's over half of this. So what I'm walking on now, this is where the houses would have been. So there's the road there. And houses would have been. I'm possibly walking through someone's living room. Yes, there's something there. I know that's just a loose brick. It's probably a loose brick from when the house got demolished. So I'm probably walking through someone's living room now. I'm probably in someone's backyard, and this is where the entries would have been running up. So I'm pretty much in the middle here. And then we're going to the next road, the next street. You see the pavement here, then the roads. So I say, looking down towards Wattenbreck Road, you've had houses either side, and you can see the pavements. Okay, they're overgrown now, but they're still here. I'm standing on pavement slab there. Yeah, so it's just to give people an idea of what the area looks like. Now, do I know for sure what's going to be in? No, I don't. This is just me suggesting stuff. I want to see things here that bring work to the area. So you put a restaurant here, you put some pubs, some bars here, shops. How many people is that going to employ? Over 100 people in it. Different shift patterns. What time they open from, what time they open till. You could easily employ 100 people on this land. And that's what I want to see. Now in between you could have little, you know, rest areas, little benches, little, you know, green space in between. There's plenty of room for it here. It is a big area. I don't know if it comes across that way on camera, but it is quite a big area. And when you see it without, well, when you see it with houses here, it looks a lot bigger. But when it's just an empty space, it looks smaller. But when you stand in the middle of it, you can see the size of it. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. I hope there's enough information there to just inform you of where we're up to so far. If you like, well, leave me a comment, definitely leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If I'm right, if I'm wrong, if you disagree with me, if you agree with me. What you want to see here. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Just trying to bring different stuff to you. And a thumbs up is always helpful, because it might let people see my channel that I haven't seen before. So yeah, that really helped me out. But apart from that guys, thanks for watching. Do let me know what you think. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.